Today, I am reviewing the ASUS ROG Strix G18 18-inch gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The engine room of this beast is the Intel Core Ultra 9275HX processor. With 24 cores and 24 threads, this is a top-tier chip designed for users who are doing more than just gaming. Whether you are running complex simulations, editing high bitrate video, or streaming with multiple high-quality overlays, the processor is the least likely part of the system to ever bottleneck you. It includes Intel's AI Boost NPU, which is starting to become a standard inclusion in high-end mobile silicon. While the impact of AI-specific tasks in gaming is currently limited, having that headroom for future-proofing is a smart move if you plan to hold onto this machine for the next several years. Graphics performance is handled by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 with 8GB of GDDR5 memory. Now, this is an interesting choice for a laptop that costs this much and targets the high-end enthusiast market. The RTX 5060 is a very capable, efficient, and modern GPU that handles 1080p and 1440p gaming with absolute ease, especially when you leverage DLSS 4 frame generation. However, if you're looking at an 18-inch screen with a 2.5K resolution, you might find that you have to dial back settings in the most demanding titles to keep your frame rates pegged at that 240Hz refresh rate. It is a fantastic card, but it is not a 5080 or a 5090. If your goal is ultra settings in every single game at maximum resolution, you might eventually find yourself wishing for more VRAM and a higher tier card. But for the vast majority of competitive titles and well-optimized AAA games, it is a powerhouse that stays within a reasonable thermal envelope. The Nebula Display is really the highlight of the experience. An 18-inch screen with a 2560 by 1600 resolution and a 240Hz refresh rate is spectacular for gaming. The 3 milliseconds response time makes fast-paced shooters feel incredibly responsive, and the color accuracy is more than enough for professional-level content creation. The extra vertical space provided by the 16:10 aspect ratio is a subtle but important detail for productivity. When you are editing timelines or working in deep folders, that extra screen real estate makes a tangible difference. It is an immersive, high-quality panel that is hard to go back from once you have used it for a few weeks. You are also getting a staggering 64GB of DDR5 RAM and a 2TB SSD. This is one of the biggest selling points of this particular configuration. Most gaming laptops come with 16 or 32GB, and you are often left looking at upgrade kits within a year. By shipping with 64GB, ASUS is basically saying you never need to touch the memory inside this machine. It is fantastic for anyone who keeps dozens of apps open, works with large datasets, or does heavy creative work. The 2TB drive is equally generous, giving you plenty of space to install a massive library of games without having to worry about constant file management. Let's talk about the reality of using a machine this large. It is not light, and it is not subtle. It is heavy, the power brick is substantial, and it takes up a significant portion of a standard desk. You're not going to be using this on an airplane tray table comfortably. This is a computer you keep on a desk, and you only move it when you really have to. The keyboard is excellent, with a satisfying tactile feel that works well for both gaming and long typing sessions, and the per-key RGB lighting is as bright and customizable as you would expect from the ROG lineup. Wi-Fi 7 is a great addition, offering much better performance if you have a compatible router, especially in crowded environments where traditional signals get congested. The software side is handled by Windows 11 Pro, which is standard for a machine at this price point, and the inclusion of Copilot AI is marketed as a productivity boost. It is a handy assistant for drafting emails or summarizing long documents, though your mileage with AI integration will depend entirely on how much you enjoy using generative tools in your daily workflow. The lifetime license for Office is a convenient touch, removing one extra expense from your setup process. Are there downsides? Absolutely. The biggest one is the heat and the noise. When you push that Ultra 9 processor and the RTX 5060 to their limits, the fans have to move a lot of air. It can get loud under full load. You will definitely want a good pair of noise-canceling headphones when you are gaming. Also, because the machine is so powerful, the battery life is strictly keep it plugged in territory. Even with the large battery capacity, the sheer power draw of the components means you will drain it very quickly if you are off the wall. The fast charging helps, but it is not a laptop designed for a day away from an outlet. Another criticism worth noting is the sheer cost-to-performance ratio of the GPU. You're paying a premium for that 18-inch screen, the top-tier CPU, the massive RAM, and the high-capacity storage. If you are strictly a gamer who didn't care about the screen size or the CPU overhead, you could find a smaller laptop with a more powerful GPU for a similar or lower price. This machine is a balance. It is for the person who values the entire package, the screen, the RAM, the storage, and the build quality, over just having the absolute fastest graphics card on the market. If you're a student, a creative professional, or a gamer who wants a desk-bound powerhouse that can handle anything, the ROG Strix G18 is a very compelling choice. It is clean, fast, and feels like a professional piece of kit. It is not for the person who wants to travel light or who wants to build their own custom PC, but for the buyer who wants a plug-and-play solution that is built to last and handles heavy multitasking better than almost anything else in its class. It is a fantastic investment. Just make sure you actually need that 18-inch form factor because once you bring this into your life, you're not going to be moving it very much. It is a true desktop replacement in every sense of the word.